You know that feeling, right? That little voice in the back of your head whispers, is this really safe? Especially when it comes to your money. You've heard about Pocketguard, the app that promises to help you lasso your finances, track your spending, and even tell you how much you can safely spend. It sounds amazing, a financial superhero in your pocket. But then the big question pops up, is it safe to link my bank account to Pocketguard? It's a completely valid concern. In an age where data breaches are practically daily news and online scams lurk around every corner, the idea of giving an app direct access to your financial lifeline can feel, well, a little nerve-wracking. We're talking about your hard-earned money, your savings, your future. So, let's peel back the layers and examine what makes Pocketguard, and financial aggregators in general, a secure, or not so secure, place for your banking information. First off, let's understand how Pocketguard works. It falls into a category of financial apps known as aggregators. These apps don't actually hold your money. Instead, they connect to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments through a secure data provider. Think of it like a translator that speaks to your bank and then presents the information to you in a clear, easy-to-understand format. This connection is typically established through secure APIs, application programming interfaces, provided by the financial institutions themselves, or through trusted third-party services that specialize in secure data retrieval. Now, onto the meat of the safety question. Pocketguard, like most reputable financial apps, employs several layers of security to protect your data. They use bank-level encryption, which is the same technology your bank uses to protect your online transactions. This means your information is scrambled and virtually unreadable to anyone who isn't authorized to see it. Imagine trying to read a secret message written in a complex code without the key. That's what encryption does. Furthermore, Pocketguard uses a read-only connection. This is a crucial point. It means the app can see your transactions and balances, but it cannot initiate any transactions. It can't transfer money, pay bills, or move funds between accounts. This significantly limits the potential damage if there were ever a breach. It's like giving someone a key to look at your safe, but not a key to open it and take anything out. They also emphasize that they do not store your bank login credentials directly on their servers. Instead, they use tokens or encrypted keys provided by their data aggregation partners. This adds another layer of abstraction between your sensitive login information and the app itself. Think of it as a double lock system. Of course, no system is 100% immune to all threats. The human element, for instance, remains a factor. Using a strong, unique password for your Pocketguard account and enabling two-factor authentication, if available, is paramount. Don't reuse passwords, and be wary of phishing attempts that try to trick you into revealing your login details. Ultimately, the safety of linking your bank account to Pocketguard boils down to a combination of robust technological security measures implemented by the app and your own diligent online habits. Pocketguard has invested heavily in security protocols that are on par with major financial institutions. They operate under strict regulations and have a vested interest in protecting your data, as their business model relies on trust. So, while that initial whisper of doubt is completely understandable, the evidence points towards Pocketguard being a secure platform for linking your bank accounts. They prioritize data encryption, employ read-only access, and avoid storing your direct login credentials. When used responsibly, with strong personal security practices, it can be a powerful tool for taking control of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.